Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money online. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to start a full-time business or just want to make some extra cash on the side, the internet has opened up a world of possibilities. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 different ways to make money online. From starting an e-commerce business and creating and selling online courses, to building and monetizing a blog or YouTube channel, and even investing in stocks and real estate. We'll also talk about the pros and cons of each method, as well as the skills and knowledge required to be successful in each endeavor. So, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, there's something for everyone in this video. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in and explore the many ways to make money online. E-commerce. Setting up an online store and selling products through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify can be a great way to reach a wide audience and start making money online. You can sell physical products, digital products, or a combination of both. Online courses and webinars. If you have expertise in a certain area, creating and selling online courses or webinars can be a great way to monetize that knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses. Blogging and YouTube. Building a large audience through a blog or YouTube channel can take time, but can be a lucrative way to make money online through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Online tutoring or coaching. If you have a particular skill or knowledge that others would like to learn, you can make money by providing one-on-one tutoring or coaching sessions through platforms like Zoom or Google Meet. Building and selling software or apps. If you have experience in software development, building and selling apps or software can be a great way to make money online. Platforms like the Apple App Store and Google Play Store allow you to sell apps to a large audience. Online investing. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, or real estate online can be a way to earn money through passive income or capital gains. However, it is important to understand the risks involved and to do your own research before investing. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and services to businesses and individuals looking for help with specific tasks. Online surveys and focus groups. Many companies and research firms are willing to pay individuals for their opinions on various products and services. Affiliate marketing. You can make money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that results from your referral. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products to customers, but instead of keeping the products in stock, you partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to the customer. It can be a low-cost way to start an e-commerce business without having to hold any inventory. It is important to note that some of these methods might require some skills, knowledge and experience, and it is important to research and understand the market and competition before starting any online business.